How do we kill it?
You shoot it.
I gotta get closer. I gotta get closer.
Grab that next.
There's a whole bunch of little ones too. Look at all the little ones.
To the garage.
There's a whole bunch of little ones too. Look at all the little ones.
Garage. Oh. Wonderful.
I don't know what code is.
Oh, it's the mech. It's the mech.
Did it just die?
Yeah. Shoot that the fuck out. You need.
I don't have ammo.
What is it doing?
Go back into the building. Take that ammo from the dead people.
Should I just stay by the door for code?
Holy shit.
It needs power. That's what it needs. I left my trying to be back there.
Try 3389. I think I found the code to the door. Oh. Wonderful. Alright, well, I got this.
Fungus, you go, buddy. You get him. You get him, Fungus.
I don't think you can kill it from the inside, can you?
Ouch. Ouch. Get him, 05. Just don't cross the beams. Get him, 05. Just don't cross the beams.
Shoot at the Chloe Bay.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Do you believe we're seeing this as Star Citizen? How did you do
Yeah.
it again? Do you believe we're seeing this as Star Citizen? How did you do it again? Oh!
I don't think we could bring our ship in.
Are you okay? Did it land on you?
Yeah,
Are you okay? I can't see anything.
Wait, you're dead, O5?
I can't see anything.
it popped down on me, killing me instantly.
Damn. I think I killed.